core strengthening exercises for stability. Hello everyone, welcome back to our fitness channel. Today, we're going to focus on something that's the foundation of all fitness, core strength. So, let's dive into some core strengthening exercises for stability. Before we start, remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a certified trainer before starting any new exercise regimen. Now let's get started. Plank. Our first exercise is the plank. This exercise engages your entire core and improves stability. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute. Remember to keep your body straight and engage your core. Bridges. Next up, we have bridges. This exercise strengthens your lower back and glutes, along with your core. Lift your hips off the ground until your knees, hips, and shoulders form a straight line. Hold this pose for about 10 seconds. Russian twists. Our third exercise is the Russian twist, a great exercise for your obliques. Sit on the ground with your knees bent, pull your abs to your spine, and twist your torso from side to side. And that's it for today's workout. Remember, consistency is key in fitness. So try to incorporate these exercises into your routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Stay fit and stay healthy.